Hi everyone, my name is tewthanom from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Silpakorn University, Thailand. Now I would like to present the poster titled Population Pharmacokinetics Parameters of busulfan Meta-Analysis. So busulfan is the main medication used in patients with hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, and several studies about population pharmacokinetics parameters of busulfan have been carried out using variation modeling, and therefore evidence of probabilities of each study. So therefore, this study was aimed to use the meta-analysis to summarize and evaluate the variabilities of the population pharmacokinetics parameters, which potentially may be useful for consideration of individualized dosing of this drug. Look at the material method. The systematic review was used in these studies. The PubMed database until January 2022 was used, and the keyword were busulfan, population, PK parameters. The inclusion criteria of selected article were English language, clinical studies in human. The quality include the article should be according to the PRISMA checklist, and the including article were analyzed by Medcal software. The Q-statistics and I-square was used for heterogeneity test, and the total of result analysis of each population PK were presented by forest plot, and the population bias was investigated by funnel plot and echo test with the significant level of 0.10.5. It is the diagram of PRISMA process. 26 articles was screened, and 15 articles was excluded because the content are not related to PK parameters. So therefore, 11 articles were included for analysis. Then look at the result. This is the summary of the characteristics of the study. You will see the variation of the model used, the rules of administration, the country, the main source of the variation. And look at the meta-analysis of each parameters. So therefore, showing the variation of each parameter, such as clearance, we show high heterogeneities, AUC, BD, and CSS. And for testing the publication bias, no publication bias found in 3 parameters. Only CSS was found of publication bias. And it was too small data. So therefore, it need more data for CSS to prove about the publication bias. And it is the figure of the blog post of 4 parameters. And it is the funnel plots. It shows the publication bias of CSS. So the conclusion is meta-analysis demonstrated high variation of busulfan population PK parameters. Need more studies to suggest better way for appropriate dosing calculation. Thank you for your attention. If you have some question on discussion issue, please email me. Thank you.